Have you heard this story about a beautiful place? A place that makes you feel restful. In the midst of people who live in religious harmony. A place that makes you feel home, that makes you curious for more adventure. Start your journey. Travel to the place where the story unfolds. Feel the sea breeze caress your face and the sound of the waves breaking your consciousness. That you can see them through the beauty of woven fabrics. Or smell them through the scent of coffee that wafts in the air. If you've never heard it before, you may now find it intriguing. You may want to know every square inch of this place. From the beauty of its land to the depths of its seas. With an amazing biodiversity. Perhaps you've heard this story about a land which has traditions so diverse. Meet these friendly people who will welcome you with warmth. After all, welcoming guests is their tradition. The light of Aceh, wonderful Indonesia.